Buckle up, car lovers, because this is the moment you've been waiting for. Welcome back to 4-Wheel Channel, your go-to destination for all things fast, fierce, and jaw-dropping. Today, we're giving you an electrifying sneak peek at a car that's sending shockwaves through the automotive world, the all-new, adrenaline-pumping 2025 Lotus Emira Turbo SE Coupe. Get ready to be blown away, because this isn't just any car. It's a masterpiece. The Emira Turbo SE is the latest offering from Lotus, a name synonymous with crafting lightweight, high-performance beasts that devour the road. With its cutting-edge design and blistering performance, this car is here to make one statement. Hold on tight, because the future of speed is now. Let's kick things off with the first thing that'll catch your eye, the exterior. One glance, and it's clear that the Emira Turbo SE is no ordinary sports car. Its sleek, sculpted lines scream both elegance and aggression, from the long, flowing bonnet that stretches across the front to the razor-sharp aerodynamics. This car looks like it's speeding even when it's standing still. Those striking LED headlights, pure futuristic flair, and those massive front air intakes, they're not just for show. They're a sign this machine is ready to tear up the asphalt. But this beauty is more than skin deep. The Lotus Emira Turbo SE's exterior isn't just about turning heads. It's about slicing through the air with surgical precision. Every curve and contour is designed to enhance aerodynamics, channeling air where it's needed to maximize performance. Take a side glance, and you'll notice those flowing lines direct airflow to the rear, keeping this beast planted firmly on the road, even when you're pushing it to its limits. And speaking of the rear, let's talk about that integrated spoiler, because it's more than just a stylish add-on. This spoiler boosts downforce, keeping the car glued to the tarmac when you're slicing through those sharp corners at lightning speed. Add a massive diffuser to manage airflow underneath, and the Emira Turbo SE's design makes it clear. This car isn't just fast, it's built for pure, unadulterated performance. Now, let's not forget those stunning 20-inch wheels. They're not just eye candy, they're a masterpiece of engineering. Designed to disperse heat from the brakes, they're paired with high-performance Pirelli tires, giving you insane grip whether you're blazing down dry roads or carving through the rain. Those sleek, futuristic taillights at the rear, they don't just light up, they announce the future of sports car design. And the twin exhausts, they don't whisper, they roar, letting everyone know that a turbocharged monster is lurking under the hood. So, car enthusiasts, what's your take on this breathtaking machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're dying to hear what you think of the epic new 2025 Lotus Emira Turbo SE. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and buckle up, because we've got even more thrilling content coming your way. Stay tuned to 4-Wheel Channel, your front row seat to the most exciting automotive innovations out there. Thanks for watching, and remember, the ride's only just beginning.